the Johnson family values. Values. This is the Johnson family values. Values.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. I wanted to start this video off by sharing with you guys our cleaning products from Grove Collaborative. They are not taking new orders right now. You have to be already a member with them in order to place an order. However, if you are a member, I just wanted to let you guys know that they have stocked up on paper towels, toilet paper, and everything like that. Especially in this time, I know that everybody is looking for cleaning products and things like that, and they can't find it. So Grove Collaborative pretty much has everything that you need. These are all my favorite products. So if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing to our channel, like this video, put a comment in if the comments are still open. I do have my children in the video, so they may not do it. But yeah, so I'm just going to share with you guys pretty much what we do in a day during this isolation time. These kids are bored out of their minds. They're trying to find something to do. They really can't go outside because, you know, our parks are, they're saying, contaminated, but you know, it's really tough. So I'm trying to make sure that the day is eventful for them. And yeah, so this is the start of our day. So I'm not a big coffee drinker. However, I do feel that I need a little bit of a boost today. So I decided to make myself a little coffee using my Keurig and my favorite mug. So although baby girl is only 11 months old, I do feel that at this age, teaching and reading to them constantly is very crucial. They pick up on a lot. They learn very quickly. Right now, she's doing My Baby Can Read. And when I tell you she is doing amazing, she really is. She knows some of the words. She knows the actions with some of the words. And she gets so excited when she sees this video come on. So as you can see, she's very, very excited. Yeah, so this is My Baby Can Read. I did this with Kyle when he was this age, and he also loved it and did really well with it. I just love how excited she gets when she sees this video. Now guys, I am trying to get her off of this banky, so when she turns 1, that's it. All right, so now it's time to start preparing breakfast. I'm gonna have Kyle help me while we're doing this. So right now he's washing his hands, preparing to crack our eggs. All right, so I thought that it would be, you know, a good time to teach Kyle some of the fundamentals like cooking and cleaning and, you know, pretty much just the everyday life essentials. So right now he is spraying our waffle maker and pouring his waffle mix over the waffle maker. Now guys, I love that gadget that he is using. I cannot remember where I got it from, but it is so convenient and it's a lot less mess. So yeah, I'll figure out where I got it from, and if I can figure it out, I'll put it in the description box. All right, guys, so this is the finished product, and I think he did a great job. So kudos to Kyle. So I am very strict with Mariah and her schedule. So right now she's taking a nap while I am working with Kyle and his schoolwork. His teachers did give him some schoolwork, being that he'll be home for 2 weeks. So right now I'm just assisting him with some of the schoolwork that he has. So as I stated in the beginning of the video, I am currently working from home until further notice. So right now I'm just logging into my computer, checking things out and seeing what is going on at work. So I couldn't really film too much of my working from home because I do work in banking and I can't really show you guys, my screens or anything like that. But I decided to take a little break and start cleaning up the kitchen after breakfast and, putting up everything that we took out, tidying up and just making our kitchen look and smell clean. Somebody's up from her nest.
See that? Oh, let me. Oh, yeah, I want to see the back.
Say hi.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me get up.
All right, so right now we are playing a game called Mancala. I wanted to make this day, again, very eventful for them, but still full of learning. So right now we're playing the game. Mariah is jumping in her jumper, and we're just having a little bit of a good time right now. All right, so I just wanted to end this video with Kyle reading. His teacher did send an email to us, parents, just stating that they wanted them reading for about a half hour. He was going to do that anyway. I was only going to make him do 20 minutes, but she says a half hour, so that's what he's doing right now. So yeah, we're going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you in our next video. Guys, remember to stay safe and stay prayerful. See you guys.